Okay, what we're going to do is just run through a problem about how you would solve a log equation. So you can see all the logs all over the place. The idea is to try to get a logarithm of a single thing on one side with no logarithms on the other side, and then try to rewrite it in exponential form. So what I want to do is put all the logarithms over on the right-hand side and leave nothing on the left-hand side in this case. So I'm going to get 0 is going to be equal to the ln of x minus the ln of 7 minus x, I guess that's plus the ln of 7 minus x, we threw it to the other side, minus the ln of 10, like that. Now we're going to use our rules of logarithms. We know when we add two logarithms, that's the same thing as when you multiply the two things and take the logarithm. So this is really the ln of x times 7 minus x, like that, because the ln of a product is the ln of the first one plus the ln of the second one. And I still have a minus ln of 10 over here to deal with, like that. Now we know when you take the logarithm of something minus the logarithm of something, that's the logarithm of the fraction. So what I'm going to get here is the ln of x times 7 minus x all over 10, like that. And I think that's right, because the ln of a fraction is the ln of the top minus the ln of the bottom. Now what am I supposed to do now? We're supposed to rewrite this in its exponential form, so the logarithm isn't there. Just as a reminder, this is sort of a pain, but here we go. Log is log base e. So I'm going to get x over here, 7 minus x, all over 10, like that. Now how does this go? I'm supposed to go e to the 0 equals blop. Well, e to the 0 is just 1, so that wasn't so bad. So that's going to be equal to x times 7 minus x all over 10. So what we want to do is take a minute and solve this. Let's multiply both sides by 10. So I'm going to get 10 is equal to 7x minus x squared, like that. This is now just a regular quadratic equation. Let's throw everything on the left-hand side. I'm going to get x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0, like that. And now factor the left-hand side. Let's do this. Getting to the bottom, I'm going to get x minus 2 times x minus 5 equals 0. Setting each equal to 0, I'm going to get x equals 2 and x equals 5. And you can see it just wasn't that bad. But the principle really stands this way. If you have a logarithm equation, try to get just a logarithm of a single thing. And once you have a logarithm of a single thing, you can use a little song, bum, 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 to rewrite it so that it doesn't have logarithms anymore. And hopefully, when it doesn't have logarithms anymore, we get an equation we can solve a usual way.